The National Association of Social Workers of Florida seeks to instill standard membership processes simply and systematically for our existing and prospective clinical associate and student members. In this proposal, you will find a recommended flowchart model as well as a membership recruitment and retention plan that will facilitate an effective membership management, including planning acquisition, administration, retention, and reporting.
The larger challenge would be to take these standards to the next level of effectiveness in our efforts that enable our recruitment and retention processes.
The Recruitment and Retention Plan of Action will include 9 stages for operational effectiveness that 1. Develops a recruitment and retention plan that provide documented guidelines. 2. Ensures that appropriate data is captured and maintained in the current membership database that include determining the current data required to inform member communications, membership reporting, and other uses, developing data collection methods and documents, written database procedures. 3. Produce and disseminates a standard membership report on a regular basis. 4. Conducting periodic membership inquiry to identify current member needs and satisfaction levels that include membership satisfaction survey, members' needs assessment, and regular lapsed member survey. And 5. Initiating a member retention and/or engagement program to gain attention and loyalty steadiness.
6. New NASW FL member welcome and orientation packages that includes recognition and involvement. 7. Implement and document a comprehensive renewal progression cycle that includes retention statistics and renewal series developments. 8. Establish and document an annual strategic membership recruitment and retention campaign that include membership prospects and campaign development. 9. Implement standard practices with a clear understanding of current roles and responsibilities of the National Association of Social Workers of Florida Membership Committee that include primary lead, membership chair, secondary lead, membership committee members, project leads, the National Association of Social Workers of Florida unit chairs and volunteer leads, and NASW FL unit membership committee.
A membership marketing plan can take a variety of forms and vary in length. It can range from a comprehensive review that includes an analysis, prospect identification, and detailed recruitment and retention renewal implementation details to a streamlined guide that documents the timing for this reoccurring task. A planning document must address the fundamental activities. Elaboration of the details should reflect the needs of the Florida chapter, as well as the complexity of its recruitment and retention process. A membership marketing plan documents the strategies and tactics of recruitment and renewal and applies any resource implications. It also documents strategies that might appear as separate projects, but are related to recruitment and retention engagement, including recognition activities and volunteer involvement when needed. Developing a plan with a strategic orientation requires articulating the strategies behind the activities planned for the year. This provides assurance that tactics will drive toward the end goals and that there is an appropriate allocation of resources and guidance to execute the schedule of activities that would facilitate an ongoing recruitment and retention plan.
The components of the proposed membership marketing plan are 1. Membership metrics, which include an overview and analysis, to include implications of periodic member satisfaction research. 2. Prospect identification that include an assessment either through internal means or external research. 3. Recruitment. 5. Recruitment and retention engagement. 6. Resource allocation. 7. Implementation schedules. And 8. Evaluation that include how the plan will be evaluated, including timing of membership reports.
Analysis of the membership metrics as a primary tool to assess the current status and identify trends within the membership area. Further refining the metrics into specific member segments and/or categories helps identify issues and recognize possible needs to that membership category. Reporting on the status of activities related to recruitment and retention enhances additional context to the membership metrics. It also provides an ongoing roadmap to project implementation, allowing both the chapter membership committee and units to continually review and modify recruitment and retention efforts. Research.
Any recruitment and retention plan necessitates information and data as a foundation for sound decision-making efforts. Research results and data analysis help answer key questions about quality and growth and provide direction for new initiatives for the chapter. Within the standard practices, research plays a central role.
The adage that is easier to keep a member than to gain a new customer applies to recruitment and retention membership, yet few organizations have a systemic member recruitment and retention program that encourages engagement in the form of participation, feedback, leadership, and overall communication. Engagement is capturing the attention, affiliation, and loyalty of members by giving them what they need through highly relevant value-building activities.
Planning for retention begins with knowledge of the membership metrics, thoughtful consideration of the most relevant goals, and intentional implementation of strategies and tactics. Although the majority of member services and communications facilitate engagement of the member, there are 3 primary areas to consider when initiating a retention program and includes 1. New member welcome and/or orientation, 2. Recognition, and 3. Involvement.
The first year of membership is a perfect opportunity to gain the loyalty of a new member, also known as the conversion year, because of the importance of transforming a new member into a committed member for national and the chapter as well. It is also the year where it is easiest to lose the same member through neglect. A deliberate welcome program, in addition to regular retention efforts, creates the opportunity for member participation and allegiance as needed.
An integrated program would include print, email, and website communications, beginning with a welcome into the organization. A print or electronic form of a new member orientation kit should follow within the first 2 weeks of membership. The most effective new member welcome program features activities throughout the year that are bolstered by ongoing efforts related to all members, i.e., communications, networking opportunities to engage, and CEU opportunities as well. Effective implementation is paramount to the success of any plan. There are many implementations, but a key step is to obtain clarity around lead roles and responsibilities. There are 5 suggested membership and recruitment goals.
Goal 1: Membership Committee, unit level, which includes listing the names, email addresses, and phone numbers for each member of the membership committee. Goal 2: Membership Committee that include 1. Setting committee goals using a format that is specific, measurable, attainable, and realistic, and that is timely, developing a list of prospective members to their master list, recruiting prospective members from area universities and colleges that have a social work program of study, pledging to commit prospective members to national, as well as to the Florida chapter, and inviting prospective members to unit meetings.
Goal 3: Membership Committee meeting schedule includes scheduling a day, time, and location for committee meetings. Goal 4: Membership Committee expectations, which includes setting expectations for the recruitment committee, both individually and collectively. Creating your own goals as well, i.e., holding meetings weekly, provide the chapter with recruitment opportunities monthly, be at every meeting, complete all individual duties, make a commitment to year-round membership recruitment, bringing appropriate materials to meetings, and keeping a calendar, etc.
Goal 5: Membership Committee Standard Agenda, which includes 1. Following a consistent schedule for each meeting. 2. Membership Committee Opening Meeting, in person or on a conference call. 3. Roll call. 4. Reviewing notes and minutes from last committee meeting. 5. Updates that include adding and/or removing names, updating information, discussing levels of interest, last contact and determining the next steps, assigning prospects to unit members. 6. Making sure that upcoming chapter events/functions include things the unit is already doing, i.e., lead day participation, how upcoming events can be used for recruitment, and which prospects to invite, brainstorming ideas on how to get prospects to attend events, reviewing and update recruitment committee goals and upcoming recruitment events, one's plan specifically for recruitment, and reviewing recruitment budget and expenditures and adjusting as necessary. 7. Preparing reports for chapter meeting and reviewing action items for all committee members.
Our membership units should actively provide opportunities for individual members to contribute to the activities of the Florida chapter. For a more comprehensive perspective, please review the recruitment and retention proposal.
Each individual brings a unique perspective, which fosters relationships and interaction with others. As such, several factors drive students into community service, but the powerful force behind student involvement is in promoting the field of social work that is made through the inspiration of students who will in the end make a difference to our profession. Our chapter cannot function without the energy and input of your involvement. Involvement is a key indicator of any renewing member. There is sufficient literature review on the subject matter of recruitment and retention that has confirmed that the non-engaged, non-participating member would often see little value derived from membership continuation.
Every membership unit should actively provide opportunities for individual members to contribute to the activities of the Florida chapter. Thanks for watching, and let's get started.